Hi, welcome to Group 28's Digital Disruption Proposal, Venue, a VR event experience. Live videos are consumed at a high volume worldwide, and the usage of VR headsets are in constant growth. The market for VR is consistently growing, and by 2020 it'll be so large that we'll need to find different and innovative ways to engage users, taking into account the high penetration of mobile usage. Do you want to walk the red carpet alongside your favorite celebrity? Do you dream of jamming out on stage with your favorite band? Gain access to live events with immersive virtual reality experience through Venue. With Venue, our users are able to attend all of the most popular events. It doesn't matter if it's a concert in London, a tennis match in New York, a race in Monaco, or Cirque du Soleil in Vegas. With Venue, you can be anywhere, anytime. Users just have to download our app, select their event, choose their seat or view, and immediately become part of the action using a compatible VR device. Within the Venue mobile app, users' account and membership information is stored securely for future use and recommendations for future events. Venue's target audience includes people such as crowd haters, budget-conscious individuals, and frequent concert goers, among others. Wendy and her husband Mike are proud parents of 3 young children. When it comes to their time and spending, their priorities have changed. However, Wendy's a big concert fan in her younger years, and she wishes she could still see her favorite artists when they come to town. But the effort of driving into the city and the increase in ticket prices, she can no longer justify the cost. She wishes there was a simpler, cheaper way to attend her favorite shows. James recently moved to Canada from England. One thing he misses most is seeing his favorite English football team live. Before coming to Canada, he would go to several games a year, but unfortunately, this is no longer an option for him. He wishes he could still somehow relive the experience of seeing them live and continue his passion for his beloved team. Within the context marked by immediacy and the outburst of entertainment content, we detect an opportunity to bring live events closer to concert junkies, talk show enthusiasts, or mobile restricted audiences by blending virtual reality with high-quality live content. Though there is no shortage of show offerings worldwide, many customers find it difficult to attend all the ones they're interested in. Ticket prices, geographic location, and limited mobility are some of the reasons that make it hard to follow their favorite artists. With Venue, we bring personalized content to customers whenever they want, wherever they are. As it relates to the consumers, there's no shortage of reasons why he or she might not be able to attend an event even though the desire's there. Whether it's a limitation that is financial, physical, status, or time, it can be frustrating for consumers and leave them feeling excluded. Our solution is Venue, which allows anyone to participate in a live event through the power of VR. Venue brings the consumer closer to their passion, truly changing the way these shows are consumed and in a completely uniquely customized manner. With concert prices doubling since the 1990s and VR popularity projected to grow dramatically in the next few years, this is the perfect time to offer such a product as Venue. There's no limitation to who we could reach. As long as they have a smartphone and an internet connection, the possibilities are endless. The VR market is estimated to reach a value of $4.5 billion in 2018, an indication that consumers are beginning to adopt this technology. Established VR competitors have the ability to offer a similar service, however their devices are often intended for gaming and come with a high cost. In addition, concert promoters could also adopt this idea. However, Venue would act as a hub for all promoters, so it's fairly regulated and everyone gets their share. Similar to Netflix, where Warner Brothers, Sony, and 20th Century Fox don't have their own streaming, they rather grant access to Netflix users to stream their movies. The Venue product comes in the form of an app. Users log in and browse a library of upcoming events and concerts and buy VR tickets. They'll also have the ability to move seat locations by using a digital assistant via voice commands. The goal is to be referred to as the Netflix of live entertainment, changing the way live content is consumed. Here we have a lean business model which outlines some of the other key factors of how Venue will come to life. Although consumers do have alternatives for engaging in live content, nothing quite compares to the experience offered by Venue. In addition, we help connect people around the world to events and experiences that would otherwise be unobtainable due to physical and financial limitations. Although there'll be quite high startup costs in development, marketing, and staffing, the business will be profitable as we continue to grow subscribers and therefore also grow the number of VR ticket sales. Internally, we have several teams from high-level executives, boards of directors, to engineering and customer service. Venue's pricing model would involve a monthly subscription fee for every user. We also offer basic VR headsets at a reasonable price to help facilitate the growth of subscribers, but the ultimate goal would be to have these sold in stores such as Best Buy. Lastly, we'd have a unique advertising placement strategy within the app, which would account for a large portion of our revenue. The Venue mobile app pairs with users' social media platforms and surveys users to understand the types of events they would enjoy viewing to recommend a wide variety of experiences. Venue notifies users when a new event becomes available and reminds them when an upcoming event is going to start. The app can also connect with a mobile-compatible VR headset where a digital assistant can help users move seats by utilizing voice control to communicate if you'd like to view your featured event from a different vantage point. To engage consumers on social media, Venue would target users on Facebook and YouTube through paid posts and pre-rolled ads with rich VR experiences. Identify influencers who can share their experience with social audience on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to gain awareness and adoption. Seed influencers with devices and memberships to Venue and pay them to share their experience by watching a live VR event on their YouTube channel, Instagram story, and through Facebook Live. The opportunities to scale Venue are endless. Wherever a live event is being recorded, our customers can be too, providing Venue with a large audience and vast opportunities for corporate partnerships, including live sporting events, political inaugurations, and award shows. Over the next few years, Venue can expand their network by building partnerships with live events such as Bonnaroo, TV networks covering major events like the Olympics on NBC, and eventually partnering with digital assistant producers like Google Home and creating our own suite of VR products. Thank you for listening to our proposal.